Hi, this is a review on the Saitek Cyborg X joystick, running on X-Plane. And yes, it does work on Mac, even though it just says Windows. And it's really good quality. Move it around, and as you can see, it does work. And you can use this to scroll around, and you can move it around and all kinds of stuff, and zoom in, zoom out. It has throttles. You can press this and you can use either one, or you can lock them together and use both. See, when you push them up, it does start to make it work better. It has a blue light on it, so it lights it up. It's really cool. That's about it. Bye.